Whitney, go ahead.
Ready, Tyler?
I'm ready.
And action!
Hola, clase. Today I'm here with my friend Whitney. Say hi, Whitney.
Hi.
And we're going to practice how to talk basic conversations in Spanish. I'm going to practice with Whitney first, and then it'll be your turn to practice. But you can feel free to tag along with Whitney on the way as we go. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Whitney, I'm going to say, how are you doing today? Which in Spanish means buenos dias. And you would say buenos dias back to me. Can you say that?
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Very good. Muy bien. And then I'm going to ask you, how are you doing today? And that is, ¿cómo estás in Español? Can you say ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Good, good. And then to ask me how I'm doing today, you would say ¿cómo estás back to me. Can you say ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
And then I would say I'm doing very well or muy bien. Now, I'm going to go like this, and that means that you can listen to what Whitney and I are saying, and then I'm going to pull my hands to you, and then you're going to practice along with us. Are you ready? All right. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, gracias. Very good. Buenos días a ti. Buenos días a ti. Buenos días, amigos. Buenos días a ti. Buenos días a ti. Buenos días a ti. Buenos días, amigos. Buenos días a ti. Whitney, where'd you go? Hey, there you are. I wanted to talk to you about the differences between morning, afternoon, and night. Do you know the differences between morning, afternoon, and night? That's okay, because I'm going to teach you, and I'm going to teach you guys as well. When Whitney and I were talking earlier and we said buenos dias, remember buenos dias? We were talking about the morning when the sun is just coming up, when you're waking up out of bed, right? But when it's lunchtime and the sun's way up in the sky, it's the afternoon. And in Spanish, we call that buenos tardes. Can you say buenos tardes?
Buenas tardes.
Muy bien, very good. Can you say buenos tardes? Again, louder maybe?
Buenos tardes.
There you go. Good job, guys. Great. And then when you get sleepy at night and the moon starts to come up and the sun goes down, that's night in English, but in Spanish, we call that la noche. And you say buenas noches. Can you say buenas noches?
Buenas noches.
Very good. Muy bien. Now it's your turn. Buenas noches. Muy bien, estudiantes. Muy bien. Now we're going to sing a little bit. Are you ready to sing? You remember what we were talking about earlier, right? All right, we're going to say that in a song now. And it goes a little something like this. I'll sing it first, and then Whitney and I will sing it, and then you can sing along when you're ready. Okay? Here it goes. It's buenos días, ¿cómo estás tú? ¿Cómo estás tú? Muy bien, gracias, adiós, adiós. Did you get that? Okay, now Whitney and I are going to sing. Listen carefully because it's going to be your turn here soon. Are you ready? All right. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo estás tú?
¿Cómo estás tú?
Muy bien, gracias.
Muy bien, gracias.
Adiós.
Adiós.
Very good, very good. Now Whitney and I are going to sing together. Are you going to sing with me? And then you sing the other part. Are you ready? What? Are you ready? All right. Buenos días. Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás tú? ¿Cómo estás tú? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. Adiós. Adiós. Muy bien, estudiantes. Muy bien.